Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Okay, so today we're gonna make some squishies, but not just any squishies. We're gonna make the YouTube logo. To be able to make the squishy, you'll need it's going to be difficult to make, so keep in mind.
This is us cutting out the shapes we'll want to cut out. Just look at us. We're struggling to cut the foam.
So right here, we're finishing cutting out the phone. After all those hours, minutes actually, our hands are in pain. Right here, we're painting the squishies. It took a while to paint them though.
Squishies turned out great.
So like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy the video. Bye. We were supposed to scream at that.
Yeah, we were supposed to yell.
Hope you enjoy the video. Bye.